10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Which of the following is a correct response to the prompt? A little boy plays in the middle of a busy street. What should you tell him? Which of the following is a correct response to the prompt? A girl wants to eat some fruit. What should she do? Which of the following is a correct response to the prompt? What did you do this summer? Choose the correct response to the statement. Your nose is bleeding. Choose the correct response to the statement. We will go to the park at 3 p.m. Choose the correct response to the statement. A fire is in the house. Choose the correct response to the statement. Are you happy? Which of these answers should not end with an exclamation mark? Which of these answers should be shouted and needs an exclamation mark? Select the choice that best describes the sentence. Don't run across the road.